Hi everyone, Millennial Investor here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Hope you've enjoyed the videos so far. So far I've only made a few, one about Plum and one about is Plum covered by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to do a simple financial checkup. Something that's really important that you know how to do, and it's something that you can do maybe every 2 to 3 months, or if something within your sort of finances changes, you can do a quick checkup and make sure that everything is as it should be. And it's a very simple thing to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I'm going to try not to teach you how to suck eggs, or I hope that's not how it certainly appears, but I have had someone ask me through Instagram, how do you do a financial checkup? And it is something that gets bounded about a lot of videos and books, but nobody actually seems to explain what that means. So I'll show you how to do it very simply, step by step, and it's more simple than you'd think. So the first thing that you want to do is get a bit of paper, that's what I tend to do, and just write down a heading of income, and on there just write down all the income that you have. So it could be salary, or if you're lucky enough it could be salary plus maybe a bit of rental income, salary, rental income, maybe you've got a wee side business, so a bit of income from that. So if we just jot down all your income and what you have there, and then add that up, and I'll do it myself. So what I've got here is the back of an envelope. Like I say, it doesn't have to be anything too pretty. So I'm just going to write on the back of this envelope income. In there, just to keep this really simple for you and nice and straightforward, I'm going to put in here salary. And I should explain, this is a monthly financial check. So everything you're putting in here is all your monthly income. So salary, whatever that is. So I'll keep it nice and round. So I'll just put £1,000. And just to explain it more, we'll put in maybe something like a side business, say it's photography, for example, and say you make £200 in a month from that. So we'll add that to that. So side business, £200, which gives us a total monthly income of £1,200, which you'll see there. So I've just written it there, income, salary 1,000, side business 200, bringing us to a total of £1,200. And that is the first step of doing a financial checkup. Like I say, really simple. Just add up all your monthly income that you would generally have, add it all up together, and it's nice to break it down. So make sure you title it all when you do that. So the next step, which might be quite obvious to some of you, but not to everyone, is you want to list all your outgoings or expenses, whatever you'd rather call it. So underneath your total income, you just put in there another heading for all your outgoings. And what you want to do is just list all your outgoings. So I've kept it very simple, and this is just for an example. So I've put your BT there, mortgage, electric, gas, and insurance. How much that is. Added up the total, which for this example comes to £280. So if you do that and just list all your outgoings for the month, you might have several. You might have 10, you could have 15, you might be lucky enough to have only maybe 3. An easy way of doing it is if you go through if you have online banking, for example, you can check that and go into your direct debits, standing orders, and they'll be right there. And just write all that down, as I have here, list it all, add it all together, and see what you get. So if your total is there, just write that on the bottom, underneath the total income. Okay, so in my example here, I've got the total income of £1,200 and my total outgoings for the month, £280. Now, if only it was that much in real life. Like I say, this is just totally an example. So what you want to do then is just take the total income minus the total outgoings, which for me would be £1,200 minus £280, which leaves me £980 in the month. So as you can see, that's a very healthy cash flow. If you have £980 left over disposable income after paying all your expenses, you're doing not too bad. And what this does for you is if you can see that you've got £980 there, it gives you a really clear idea as to how much money you have each month, how much you want to set aside to maybe save, how much you can afford to invest, and how much you've really got to play with. And unfortunately for some people, they might find that their total leftover goes into a minus, in which case you really have to look at either upping your income or decreasing your outgoings. But by doing something like this, a financial checkup, if you do it today and just see how much money you have, and then do it every few months when something changes, maybe you've taken on a new outgoing, such as a gym membership, or maybe your salary's gone up, or you've got extra income somehow, do another check and see where you're sitting. I'm going to make a separate video regarding saving money and the rule that I try to adopt when I'm saving money, because you can split it, but that's something for another video. If you enjoyed this video, let me know below. Let me know as well how you get on with your financial checkup, and like I say, just try and do this every maybe 2 to 3 months, or if something changes. It's really simple, and it'll highlight to you how much money you have or don't have, and it can be quite an eye-opener. Once you do this, you'll see, and it can be quite addictive, and you'll end up doing it every so often. But no, keep trying and watch the videos, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be great for more videos. But leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and let me know how you get on. Thank you, see ya. Thank you for watching the video here, guys. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you want some more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram. Sorry about the dodgy sketches. Yes, I know using the back of a envelope isn't best, but it's what I had to hand, and this sort of thing should be made quite simple. But no, thanks for watching again, and let me know what you think in the comments below.